Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw an Among Us, like a little scene here, okay? It's gonna be an imposter getting the jump on a crewmate. It's gonna be simple, easy, for beginners. You're gonna love it. If you love Among Us, stay to the end. You're gonna love this. I'm gonna be using this Crayola brand marker, and I'm gonna be using this regular printer paper. So, very simple stuff. Let's get started. Oh, like I said, you can also just watch. You don't have to, like, don't worry about it. You don't have to, like, you know, do it with me. It'd be cool if you did along with me. Curve line here. I just go right into mode. Curve line here. I'm keeping it to the left of the paper because I'm gonna draw one crewmate, one imposter. Curve line on this side. And curve line down here. That to me looks like a pillow. I always say that. Remember the pillow. The pillow is the visor. The visor is the pillow. I always say that. Straight line up here. For, you know what for. His forehead. Curve line over here for the top of the head. And curve line down. Right there, curve line down. Excelente! If you love Among Us, hit that subscribe, by the way. I'm going to be posting a lot of these. Probably one a day for the Among Us, tutorials. I'm going to go straight down here. But basically, when you subscribe, it basically says hi. But you gotta hit that bell notification, because if you hit the bell notification as well as that, then it'll say, oh cool, I want to see your stuff every now and then, because the algorithm is going to show it to you maybe once a week or something. So definitely hit that subscribe and the bell. Otherwise, it was nice talking to you. It was fun, it was great, very fun, but we gotta move on, Curve line here, below, for his feet. Curve line over here. I'm making this a little bit stumpier. I just kind of want to make a short, stumpy crewmate. Line up. That, to me, looks like a marshmallow stuck to a big marshmallow. Line in. And we're going to have his foot come in here. That other marshmallow foot. Isn't that adorable? Wow. What an adorable thing. Over here, let's draw his backpack. Look at the top of the... look at the top of the pillow. In the bottom of the pillow. Halfway in there... Go back, right? Halfway in there, hover. Don't put anything down. That's going to be where about his backpack is. About halfway, all right? Not always. Could be up and down. Just draw a straight line. And then over here toward the lower part of his body. I like marking him because I can, always reference that point. Going over here, I'm going to draw his turtle backpack and or loaf of bread backpack. I always say it looks like a loaf of bread. Okay. Imposter over here. About to get the jump on him. Danger, danger. I don't know if I want to draw him overlapping or not. I'm not going to draw him overlapping then. I'm going to draw him maybe at a higher ground here. Like he's got the high ground. But that's about it. Curve line. For his visor. Curve line here for the front. Curve line here for the back. We're drawing that pillow. Curve line on the bottom. Oh, that pillow. Yeah. Love that pillow. Line up here for the forehead. Love me that forehead. But yeah, anyways, I love doing this. I'm doing this for 6 years. I'm going to draw the top of the head, by the way. Doing this for 6 years, and this last year has been the most rewarding. It's been a blessing in disguise, and it really allowed me to meet a lot of people, like, online, and it's really made me feel great. And, yeah, I'm really happy. Thank you, everybody. Curve down. Essentially the same design. curve down here. Could be a little bit taller, or he could draw his leg forward, but I'm not gonna do that. It's just gonna be a normal chill. I'm gonna draw him a little bit taller, honestly. Let's get that, what is that called? That marshmallow foot. Curve over here, lower body. Rest that marshmallow foot. Yeah, woo. And now, what's gonna make him an imposter? What do you think is gonna make him an imposter? I want to ask you that. You got it. That butter knife. It's not a butter knife, but you know, this thing in his hand right here. I'm gonna draw his hand like this, just a square. I mean, I guess you could draw his hand in there, in the middle. See that? Draw his thumb in there. If you don't know how to do that, go to my Gumroad, and I give you a free, completely free guide on how to draw cartoon hands. Go check that out. It's fun. I love it. Do it now. Line, and then you can draw like 2 lines over here for the fingers. Really simple stuff. If you don't know, like I said, get that guide. Very, very simple. Now. Go right now. Alright. Straight line over here for the edge of that butter knife. It's not a butter knife. And so it's like a square. Right now it looks like he's hitting a button, right? Bang! Like a big old button in midair. But no. Straight. Curve back. That ain't no banana. That's a blade, y'all. That's a blade, y'all. And then I'm gonna draw the, what do you call it? The back handle of it right here. It's just like another little box. So think in simple shapes. These guys are entirely made up of simple shapes. I really hope you enjoyed this. I really hope you take this with you and you do this on your own. And this is a start of your big artist journey. I really hope that. If you do, send me your art. Or this is the way you let me see your art. Go to Instagram, post it, and then tag the Easy Pictures to Draw Instagram. That's how you do it. Easy, simple, and you are amazing. Don't forget that. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this point, you're amazing. Hit the like if you did like it, and also share if you like it. And it always brings in a new amount of people in, and it's just amazing to have people around. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time, okay? I'll see you tomorrow, or even later this afternoon. Talk to you later. Oh, I'm Enrique, by the way, so you can call me by name. Later.